Hello friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Chan web channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. In this presentation, we are going to deal with a very important toxic disease, botulism. In part 1, we'll discuss various synonyms, introduction and etiology of botulism. Friends, we discuss here synonym. Important synonym is toxico-infectious botulism. The term itself suggests that it is a disease in which the Clostridium botulinum grows in the tissue of a living animal and produce toxin there in the same animal. So organisms and toxins are in the same animal. So it is called as toxico-infectious botulism. Another synonym, limbernic. This botulinum toxin has effect on nervous system. So there are nervous signs, progressive flaccid paralysis of legs, wings and then neck. It occurs in birds. So it is called as limber neck. Flaccid paralysis of neck. So limber neck. Here two synonyms, equine grass tetany and equine dysautonomia. When the horses are on grass grazing, there are tetanic symptoms. Also, horses shows dysautonomia, widespread degeneration within autonomic nervous system. So names are given. These two diseases are toxico-infectious botulism. Both the organism and toxin are in the same animal. Possible causes are equine grass sickness and disorder. The etiology is unknown. But here, widespread degeneration within the autonomic nervous system causes marked reduction of gastrointestinal motility. So there is proliferation of Clostridium botulinum, production of toxin and disease. Synonym, Shaker-Fold syndrome. This is a disease of young foals up to 8 months of age. This is toxico-infectious botulism, means both the toxin and bacteria are in the same animal. When this botulism occurs, the affected foals show certain group of symptoms. Weakness, foal is unable to stand, difficulty in standing, difficulty in walking, muscle tremors. So here the foals are shaking. That is because of muscle tremor. So it is called as Shaker folds. Now this Shaker folds gives this symptom, this group of syndrome. So it is called as Shaker fold syndrome. Let us first understand botulism. It is popularly known as toxico-infectious botulism. We have already discussed that thing. The disease in which the Clostridium botulinum grows in the tissue of a living animal and produces toxin there. These release of toxin from the lesion are absorbed in the body and cause typical botulism disease. Botulism causes an important symptom, rapid fatal motor paralysis. Disease spread very rapid. It is a fatal also and motor paralysis. It is caused by ingestion of toxin botulinum produced by Clostridium botulinum type A to G. Continue with the introduction. The spore forming anaerobic organism Clostridium botulinum proliferate in decomposing animal tissue. Main thing, they proliferate in decomposing animal tissue and sometimes in the plant material. Important. Clostridium botulinum during that vegetative transformation from spore, they produce potent neurotoxins. These neurotoxins ingestion or absorption by the tissues produce a serious disease called botulism. Continue the introduction. Neurotoxin is produced during vegetative growth. We have seen that Clostridium botulinum has 7 types from A to G, but the types B, C, and D cause diseases in animals. Other also causes, but not much serious. The ingestion of preformed toxin, toxin is already formed in the necrotic tissue or saprophyte tissue, is the main source of intoxication. Preformed toxin, feed preparation or storage provide a medium for the multiplication of the organism and toxin production. Botulism is characterized by toxemia, flaccid paralysis in human, animal, and birds. Friends, we discuss here etiology of botulism. In most cases, it is a intoxication, ingestion of preformed toxin in food. It is not an infection, but it is due to intoxication. The cause is Clostridium botulinum. They are spore-forming organisms. They produce toxin. The spores are oval, subterminal endospores. Clostridium botulinum are gram-positive and they appear as a single or a paired or a short chain. So disease botulism are the intoxication, ingestion of preformed toxin in food. We discuss here etiology. The Clostridium botulinum grow on decaying organic matters. They are soil saprophyte. The organisms are also found in normal inhabitant of the intestine of domestic animal, cattle and sheep. The spores survive for a very long time in the environment. It is observed that for over 30 years they survive. The spores germinate, produce vegetative cells. The organism multiply very rapidly under favorable conditions of warmth and moisture. So spores germinate and vegetative cells produce and multiply under a favorable condition of warmth and moisture. What humid climate is favorable for the organism? Clostridium botulinum organism produce neurotoxin during vegetative growth. This neurotoxin is stable. It will not deteriorate. It is a very stable and highly lethal toxin. It causes death in animals when ingested or absorbed from the tissue, and it causes a disease, botulism. Clostridium botulinum have found seven antigenically distinct toxin types: type A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. So, seven antigenically distinct toxin types are observed, and several subtypes are also found. I have explained here what are the synonyms and how synonyms are derived. What is the philosophy behind that? I have explained introduction, what is the disease. So there is no doubt about disease. I explained etiology also. Please share this information to veterinarians and veterinary friends for the service of animals. If you like, please press like button, subscribe the channel to promote the channel. Thank you very much for observing the video.